Hello everyone. Welcome to 5 English Minutes with Tate and Friends. Yours truly, Tate, is here, and today we'll be looking at the past simple because we bring you this channel for daily English practice for everyone. So listen, tune in, subscribe, and get your English on 5 minutes every day. So, the simple past. We'll be looking at what the simple past is, the form in how to make the simple past formation. This is very important because once you see how it is formed, it is easier to create simple past sentences. Examples, we'll look at 1 or 2 examples, and then you will have your turn where you will practice the simple past. What is the simple past? First of all, the simple past, as you can see, is an action that happened in the past. You see here, there is the present, and then the X is in the past. It doesn't matter what the time frame is. As long as the action was in the past, we can call that the simple past. Forming the simple past is very simple. You just need the subject plus the verb in the ed form. So you need the infinitive verb, and then you just add ed in a regular simple past sentence. For example, watch this video and then we'll look at the first example. Very short, but the question is, what did she do? Yes, she danced, right? She danced. Therefore, if we look at how it is formed, we have the subject plus the verb in the ed form. Which of these is the subject? Exactly, she. The subject in this sentence is she, and the verb? Simple. Yes, danced. So the infinity of this will be dance, and then the ed form, past, danced, right? With the ed added. So the past simple or the simple past is used to discuss something that happened in the past. It is used to describe completed actions in a time before now. As you see here with the X, because the present is here, but anything in the past is where the X is, right? Any action is where the X is, and that is in the past, right? The time can be of any action that's just minutes or even seconds in the past, or a longer time. It can be seconds or even years in the past. So now, if we look at these verbs in the infinitive, we have wait, watch, clean, start, enjoy, walk, and cook. And then if you look at the ed forms here, in the past tense form, waited, watched, cleaned, started, enjoyed, walked, cooked. And if we skip over and look at the past simple examples, you will see the sentences there. So you can pause and read these sentences. For example, number 1, I waited for my brother to come down for breakfast. I watched television is number 2. They cleaned their own bedroom. I started work yesterday. I enjoyed school yesterday. I walked to town. I cooked dinner on Friday. So those are the simple past sentences there. Now it's your turn. I want you to look at these sentences and see if you can form the simple past. Now remember, they are in the infinitive, so you need to make them past simple, meaning you need to add the ed as we just practiced. Okay? Thank you for joining. See you next time for more 5-minute English videos with Tate and friends.